Okay guys, so I'm new to this entire EDC thing and I'm looking for some input. Here's what I carry almost every day. I've got some core items that I don't leave home without. We can start with my watch. This is an Atlantic World Master Art Deco mechanical. It's a very nice self-winding mechanical watch and I enjoy it very much. Second, my cell phone, Samsung Galaxy S5, nice phone. My wallet, which is pretty much just my cards with some hairbands and a plastic sleeve for protection. And my keys. I have them on this Night Ice bottle opener carabiner. So those are my never leave home without items. Let's put them over at this side. Second, what I usually bring, my little EDC Asaclit mini LED. Okay, 30 lumens or so. Standard lighter. Needs changing out. A Fisher bullet space pen. And something to write on. Here's some post-its. I'll also often bring my Suna HD and some cheap headphones. These are Skull Candies. I'm looking for new ones, so if anybody has some tips, please write so in the comments. Lastly, sometimes I bring my comb for my bed. This is a handmade Kent socket OT. And this is my homemade moustache wax. Lastly, a notebook. This doesn't always come with me, but I usually bring some kind of notebook. And since I live in a country where I'm not allowed to wear blades, I only bring this on occasions. This is a beautiful little pocket knife, not very intimidating. It's a CRKT Ripple 2 with a bronze finish. Yeah, that's all. I'd really like to hear some comments. Thank you.